Jimmy on the track, so you know it's lit.
Fly, bubble boy. Fly, bubble boy. Fly, bubble boy.
What's good, everybody? You know, it's your boy. So right now, I'm doing a little barbecue, you know, just chilling with the peoples and everything. Chilling with the kids, you know, enjoying this vacation right now. So, you know, it's a little bit of what's going on. You know what I'm saying? Friends, 650 right here. It's pretty nice. I got the homie coming in a bit, waiting for him to get over here. So whenever he gets over here, I'm gonna let y'all see. But you know, I do not own the rights to this music in the background. This guy right here. Ooh, there it is, baby. There it is. Naked. Just about naked. No, I'm just playing. Got the wheels off. Got the pegs. Got the feet parts. All that. This is how we're gonna send it out to get powder coated. The rest of the parts. Look at this thing, man. I always got nervous when the bikes were sitting on these things. Eesh. She wants this thing to be louder. So like I told her, she's gonna have to get that exhaust. This thing, I couldn't even hear it rev up. Look at that big A thing, man. Jeez. That's this right here. And then this is it. Now. So she got her parts in. Ridiculously hot pink. As you can see the way it's showing up on the cam. Looks pretty good. Whoever did it did a pretty good job. I just put the, I guess you could say the washers in there. So, you know what I'm saying? That's what I'm doing right now. As you can see, putting the brand new washers in. So, bike still sitting, looking like a hot mess. So much dang pink, dude. So much pink. Jeez. Oh yeah, you see them rims, baby? Oh yeah, so much pink. Messing up my phone. Oh yeah. So as I just said, this is all phone footage from the new phone. I'm not sponsored by them, but this is from the Stylo 5. It's not bad. Actually, it's pretty clear. I don't even know what mode I'm using at the moment, but it shows pretty good. So, but let's finish. We got one arm on with the brake lever, and then both pegs is connected. So that part is pretty much done. I need to get that side plus the shifter level and throw that over there. On the other side, back tires of course going on, front tire, and then we will be done. So let's get to it, baby.
Let's do that again. Look at this dirty hand. Yeah.
Jimmy on the track, so you know it's lit.
Vai, baba boy. Vai, baba boy.
Purchase your tracks today.
She wanna go test the bike out.